In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Managing bills efficiently is crucial for maintaining seamless accounting processes, and Zoho Books offers a user-friendly interface to help you stay on top of your financial obligations. Let's dive right into it, step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your accounting needs. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Purchases tab on the menu located on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage all your purchase-related activities, including bills, expenses, and more. Now, from the menu under Purchases, click on Bills. This section is where you can view, edit, and create bills. It provides an overview of all the bills you've entered into the system, categorized by status, making it easy to track your payments and due dates. In the Bill section, you'll see an option to create a bill prominently displayed. Click on this to begin the process of entering a new bill into your system. It's an intuitive process, and Zoho Books does a great job at guiding you through it. Once you've clicked to create a bill, the first step is to select a vendor from whom you've received a bill. Zoho Books allows you to easily search and select your vendor from a drop-down menu. If the vendor isn't listed yet, you can quickly create a new vendor profile to ensure all details are accurately captured. Next, type in the bill number. This is a crucial part of bill management, helping to track and reference specific bills later on. Make sure to enter this number accurately as it corresponds with the physical or digital bill you've received. After entering the bill number, choose the billing date. This date usually reflects when the bill was issued to you. Selecting the correct date is important for maintaining proper records and ensuring timely payments. Now click on the Item field. This part of the process involves selecting the item or service for which the bill was issued. Select the relevant item or service from your predefined list, ensuring that it aligns with the details on your physical bill. After selecting the item, you'll need to specify the quantity. If there are multiple items on a single bill, make sure to enter the correct quantity for each. This is essential for ensuring that your financial records are both precise and accurate. Finally, complete the process by clicking Save as Open. This saves your bill in the system while marking it as an open bill, indicating that it's yet to be paid. Zoho Books keeps everything organized by tracking the status of your bills, helping you to prioritize payments, and there you have it. You've successfully created a bill in Zoho Books. This efficient system not only helps you to stay organized, but also provides clarity and oversight for your financial processes. By regularly entering and managing bills in Zoho Books, you ensure that your business remains efficient and financially healthy. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!